current chicken coop elevation. It's kind of hard to see in the photos, but when it rains, the bottom is flooded out. So Travis went to pick up a load of dirt, or actually two now, to bring in to elevate that area. We'll have to move the coop out of the way. All right, so as you can see, we have now raked out the area where the coop is gonna go. We are going to lay the plywood down, and the plywood's about 3 inches by 3 inches too short. So we're going to lay down the plywood, put the pavers the whole way around the plywood, and then set the coop on top of that. So initially our fence that we had here is 4 by 4 squares, and we've learned that the smaller chickens can get out very quickly. So what we've done is we've purchased this 1 by 2, and we're gonna put that the entire way around their new run area. So as we have little chickens or chicks, they can't get out into the food forest. And so here I've built the base for the coop. We have a sheet of plywood, which I painted to help preserve it a little bit longer, and then pavers around the bottom to help keep the board in place and also help hopefully be a deterrent from any critters that may try to eat our chickens. So the next step will be lacing the coop on top and then hooking the water back up, getting them settled in. All right, so here is our finished product. The chickens and the guineas seem to enjoy it. We did add the same fencing on the gate that we put around the coop area. Obviously, we don't want the chickens to get out. We did add some mulch in here. We added a Buddha belly boo back here to give them a little bit of shade, give them something to rub up against. And they seem to be settling pretty well. Overall, I think it was a good investment. We have about 600 into the coop. It's the extra large from Tractor Supply. The small one we picked up from a neighbor for 20 bucks. It was a really fantastic deal, actually. And then as far as fencing and gate material, these are 8-foot 5/6s. The fencing, we did buy 100 feet because we can always use that to put around some plants that are not in the food forest area itself to keep the deer away. So we got 100 foot of fence, the poles, the gates. We spent about 400 bucks on that. And so far they are settling in good. Pretty happy. They have sun area, they have shade area. The only other thing I'm going to add in here is a dust bath section so that they can do their dust baths to keep bugs in control, or to keep the bugs in check. So if you guys have any questions on our little coop area, please let me know. I'd love to get you guys any information you may be looking for. You can always reach me at Sarah at SarasotaDiscovered.com, 941-402-3837.